Nikwakusiiwa mwelevano muvyu wa ndeto na kwoolootana mbungeni ya kaunti ya Masaku ivinda yila ma MCA mbunge ino meuneenaniasya livoti ya KUMUVETANGA ovisini kalani kana CLERK wa mbunge isu ya Masaku Joseph Mutisya Amwe ambemba mbunge ino ngalikoni ala anini mateta nundu wa kuema kunewa mwanya wa kunene livoti na vala etinawa mukuthukiano usu vesa ukunwa kula na utalo munene wa ma MCA mavitukithia livoti isu ya KUMUVETANGA ovisini kalani wa mbunge ya kaunti ya Masaku livoti tukweliwe MBUNGENI Dan Mwongela.
Shout as much as you want, but you see, facts are facts. I have said, I am going to say this, Mr. Majority. Listen to me. I am going to vote a big no.
I'm a Christian, and I pray that this assembly God to come and meet these people, to talk with them. And I know, in the name of Jesus Christ, and God, something will happen in this assembly. I vote no for Mutisya.
Ni maundu meili mbungeni ya kaunti ya Masaku, MCA mbunge maivitukithia na kuneenaniasya livoti ya KUMUVETANGA ovisini ulana atue CLERK Joseph Mutisya walevyo veju na mwelevano wa ndeto na kwoolootana wasya yokela ivindani la MCA wa ward ya matu Judas Mbilindawa ende na kunengane uneni wake mbungeni walamu mama MCA ukalikoni wala nini moneka kuleana na uneni usu unuwe ovo speaker wa mbunge ya kaunti ya Masaku anikihusia ni wala simika kulikila na kuvovya maundu.
Point of information, Madam Speaker.
No, we cannot allow that. To distribute.
Madam Speaker.
Members. So, Honorable Speaker. Respect, Honorable Member.
Minority.
Madam Speaker, we need respect.
Honorable Speaker, this is a protected area.
Honorable.
And any member has to say what he feels.
Honorable Member,
Yes.
restrict yourself to the matters.
I'm talking about that man.
Have a
I'm
seat.
proceeding.
Have a seat.
Point of information, Madam Speaker.
Proceeding. I've not exhausted my 2
Point of
minutes.
information.
I've made a ruling.
Point of information, Madam
Point
Speaker.
of information taken.
Madam Speaker, I want to involve one
Don't
of the...
inform me. Don't inform me. I don't want the information. I don't want the information.
This is a
We
house
cannot.
of order.
Yes.
Honorable Mike, you have to take your seat.
To make a decision, because this was a committee that sat down and it has brought an issue. I was not saying.
And that is why I gave the ruling that what you are trying to ventilate and trying to say that the process was not followed.
Itina wa speaker wa mbunge ino kuicha ikulio kwa memba su amwe mama MCA na muno ngalikoni isu ya ala nini ni monania kulea kuyani wako mayungama na kutuma speaker alasimika kukunithia kula na itina wa iseso ya ukuna kula ma MCA miongoni na umwe makuna kula maivitukithiti livoti isu na ange 10 mailiana nayo.
Order. Allow the member to vote.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. I want to start by saying that to thank.
No, just vote.
I vote when I'm talking. I'm going to vote.
Vote yes or no. Those are the instructions. You are a lawyer.
Madam Speaker,
Yes.
I vote when I'm talking. So I should proceed with the voting. So I've said I'm in voting that the report which was tabled here, it had not captured the annexures which were being alluded here, and for that matter, I vote with all my body parts, with all my strength, a big no.
In this house, I vote a big no and promise you that the government eats its own children. And very soon, people will be eaten here.
I am going to vote a big no.
Madam Speaker, hii imeenda. I vote a big yes.
Joseph Mutisya ulona ikalani wa mbunge no konanwa na utumi muthuku wa ilovia kwa makwati ya meo ya ovisi atati mawalani ala mekitwe undumwe na kwa makwati ya mawalani ma mbunge ya kaunti ya Masaku. Daniel Mwongela, Mutongwe TV, kuwanza wa mwaka wa mbunge ya kaunti ya Masaku.